Hello, my name is Henry Kylan. I am going to be talking about what we accomplished this week for my internship with PGIP. So this week I learned numerous things, but what I'm currently working on is PHP through Codecademy. But let's talk about the two other tasks that I would like to speak about. The first is understanding Env files. I've never worked with Env before, so this was an informative video used to introduce me to the standard and what it means and how we use it. This will be used for providing information to whomever works on the loyalty app, which is the currently end goal project for the team. I am in the software development team, so this is integral in me being part of the team's tasks and understanding what needs to be done. Secondly, I learned the Docker system. I've never worked with Docker before. I ran into a few issues where my current PC was unable to run it, so I went out and updated some older hardware that I had in the house, and I have a separate PC that I'll be utilizing specifically for building and running coding, anything coding related for the application. So that's the loyalty app. Anything dealing with the loyalty app and the internship, I'll be running directly on that PC. It was very interesting to learn Docker. I wish I was able to show you guys, but I think that we can't share that with others. So let's take a look at what I've been learning with Codecademy. So I don't have any experience with PHP, and so I've been assigned the task of learning PHP through Codecademy, which is an online site which you can learn different things related to languages and other tasks within the IT world. So as you can see here in the syllabus, I've completed essentially all of these tasks learning except for conditionals and logic. I'm actually in the middle of this one currently. 50% for HTML and form handling. I learned about arrays, which I was already familiar with from my experience with C#, PHP built-in functions, so on and so forth. And the planner. Let's talk about planner. So the planner I've never used. I haven't used a Microsoft-based system before or worked in an IT environment with actually providing tasks that you need to go through for the team. You're able to see everyone within the team here. As you can see, these two people graduated this year, so I can't wait until my name looks like that. But you're able to see what everyone's working on, how far they are along in their tasks, and as you can see, it pops up like this, and you can have checklists where you can check it off what you have accomplished and what you haven't. You can leave comments to your superior here or thoughtful things that you might want to keep track of. There's a due date here, and then a start time, who it's assigned to, which is me, Henry, so that's the bucket here, and then it tells you which team why you're being assigned. This is because of the team and the project here, and then this is where you can enter in the information and the priority, meaning, do I have to work on this immediately or can it be a long-term project? And as you can see here, this is my leader, Emma, and she and I can communicate back and forth, and if I need guidance, she can do so. You can also add some attachments to the to the task that might be instrumental in helping you complete the task, so on and so forth. So this is the software and development planner for my team, and I was happy to share this with you guys. I hope you're able to see what I did for the agenda item, what I'm planning to continue doing this week, which is learning classes and objects in PHP, conditionals and logic, loops in PHP, and PHP validation form. So I want to complete this PHP learning process by the end of the week, and I think I'm on track to complete that. The constraints that I faced, like I said, was with Docker implementation, but I overcame that issue, and yeah, everything else seems to be in order. It's just me setting aside the time to accomplish all the tasks. Thank you for listening, and I hope that I fulfilled all the needs of the assignment.